Hello everyone. In today's video, you will learn what is Amazon affiliate program and how to create an account and earn money. Amazon affiliate program. Amazon Associate is an Amazon affiliate program that allows website owners, bloggers to create a referral link and earn some referral fees. It is completely free and it is easy to use. With its help, you can create a link to any product and promote that link on your website or on your Facebook page. When people buy that product through that link, then you will get up to 10% earning for that product. Nowadays, a lot of bloggers, YouTubers, and many others are earning it very well. If you have your website or if you have Facebook followers or other social media, then you can earning from this Amazon affiliate program. So let's start the create an account. You have to search on Google Amazon Associate, click on amazon.com Associate Central, then you have to click on sign up. When clicking on sign up, you will be asked to log in to your Amazon account. If you do not have any account, so you have to click on create your Amazon account. Then you have to write your name, email address and password. Then click on create your Amazon account. After creating your account, you will get an email in which you will get an one-time password. So you have to write one-time password, OTP, enter OTP and click create your Amazon account. First step is your account information. In your account information, you have to write your full name. Please make sure give the same name as your bank account name because this name will be used to get the payment. And write your address, your home address or your office address, city, state, postal code, country and your phone number. Then click on next. In this page, your website and mobile application, you have to enter your website link or your Facebook page link. If you have any mobile application, then you can add your mobile application link and then click on next. Okay, are any of the websites or mobile application listed above directed primary to no? Click on no and confirm. In the third step, you have to create your profile. What is your preferred associate store ID? So here you have to enter your user ID by which you will log in. Your website list, your mobile application list, and what are your website or mobile application about. You have to tell what is your site or mobile application is about and which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile application. So you can select from here if it is about books or business, industrial, technology, finance, gaming, everything. So you can select anything. I am selecting about like technology. Okay, so this is secondary topic. If you will not select, so it's okay, but you can select in gaming. What type of Amazon item you intend to list on your website or mobile application. So you can select all. Okay, so what type are your website or mobile app? Here you can tell about your website or type of app. So you can select search or comparison shopping engine. Select secondary type is blog or something niche or website. How do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? Here you have to tell how you now earn money on your website. So other affiliate programs or e-commerce, online retail, Amazon Associate is only way I monetize my site. So it's up to you. In secondary, you can select commission, other affiliate programs. How do you usually build links? Here you can tell what kind of links you are using. So let's select so you can select HTML editor manually other or something like that. So how many total unique visitors do your website and apps get per month? Here you can tell your website or applications per month unique visitors 500 to 5000, 5000 to 50,000, over 50 500,000. So you can select which one do you want. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? Click in monetize my website, get rich content for my website, or other. How did you hear about us? So you can select Amazon.com website, online search, or word of mouth. Word of mouth, like one of your friend tell you about Amazon affiliate program. So you can select. Then you will carefully fill up the CAPTCHA, that is, and then click on, if you want to hear that, so you can click on try audio CAPTCHA, and then you can write your CAPTCHA. After writing the CAPTCHA, then click on the Associate Program Operating Agreement and then finish. As soon as you click on the finish button, and then you will redirect to the app page in front of you. Congratulations, thank you for applying to the Amazon Associate Program. Your unique ID is this. If you want to add your payment and tax information, click on now, otherwise you can click on later. After creating your account, you will be told here how you can make a link to a product or to generate the code for banner ad. At the same time, you will be told here how much commission you will get for the product of categories. Get started. Now your Amazon affiliate program account is ready. Now you can do earning by creating a link to that product you want to promote. A quick overview of Amazon associate account. So from here you can change your country, you can change your language. This is my store ID. When anyone purchases through my link, my ID will present in that link. I will be getting commission of that purchase. There is a quick overview. Earning overview for last 30 days, commission, bounties, clicks, summary of this month, how many people clicks on your item and how many people are ordering items, conversions, total commission, total bounties, clicks, and there is some items that are recommended for you. You can promote on your website or on your Facebook page. And then come in account setting. You can change your password, you can edit your website and mobile app list, and you can add more, edit your website information, link store IDs, change your one link tracking, manage your tracking IDs, and you can do everything. And you can close your account, change your contact information, change your payment method, that we did it later. View your payment history, view your rate card, view your provide tax information. You can add your tax information from here. Let me show you how to generate the link of the items that you are promoting on your website. After logging on to your Amazon account, so you can see there is a Amazon associate site strip. Let's click on any item. After the clicking on the item, you have to click on text. There you can get your link. There is a short link or you have full link, so whatever you want to promote on your website you can copy. I will prefer short link. And you can select image, like you want a small, medium or large, you can select here. If you need text and image, just click on text and image, and then you can copy from here. That is quite easy. So you can copy this link, and then you can promote on your website or your Facebook. Then you can see there is a Facebook page. Click on Facebook, log in your Facebook account, and you can share on your Facebook page. After generating that link, you can search, you can paste your link here, and then you can see your store ID. That was your unique ID. Here you can see my name, my store ID. At the end of the video, I want to share some key points that you can save your account to get banned. After signing up your Amazon Associate account, you need 3 qualifying sales within 180 days. Before you create your Amazon Associate account, the best way is you have to create your own website, write contents, write articles. When you start getting traffic on your website, then you should apply for Amazon Associate account. If you will use product images from Amazon website, then there is some chances your account can get banned. And please make sure do not share links in private groups or closed groups. Site should publicly available, and do not copy Amazon review and paste on your website. If you will do that, there is chances your account can get banned. And do not use affiliate link for promotion in emails. At the last, do not use those links in PDF or ebook for promotion. If you will do this, so there is a lot of chances your account can get banned. If you will follow all these guidelines, you can save your account to get banned. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share my channel. If you will subscribe my channel, it means a lot to me. It will encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in next video.